I received this as a gift and I was so excited when it showed up at my front door. I use their washing machine tablets and they are amazing and I cannot wait to try these out. The directions say, ensure the disposal is empty, run a full stream of hot water for 1 minute, then reduce to a slow trickle, less than the width of a pencil. Second step is 4 single basin sinks, which is what I have. Turn the faucet away from the drain for double basin sinks. Run the water in the non-disposal drain to help contain foam within the disposal. Unwrap and place 1 tablet fully inside the disposal. Use 2 tablets for the first cleaning or heavy residue, and then run the disposal for 1 minute. If foam rises onto the sink, continue running the disposal and water until the foam drains. Rinse any remaining foam from the sink and turn the disposal off. I am very excited to use this. We actually just got done dealing with a fruit fly infestation, so this will be awesome to make sure those drains are really nice and clean. So I'm going to run this for 1 minute and I will be right back. All right, it has been 1 minute, so I'm going to turn the nozzle over to the side and do a slow trickle about the size of a pencil. And I'm going to go in here and open this up. And it does look like it comes in nice little packets, just like the washing machine cleaner does. I will open that up. It has a very nice citrus smell. It, I think, smells kind of like an essential oil almost. So I will pop that in there and then turn my garbage disposal on. It did say you needed to run 2 for the first time, so I will go ahead and pop a second one in. It looks so clean in there. I also do really love how they are a small business. I do love supporting small businesses any way I can. So definitely check them out if you are wanting to get some garbage disposal cleaners or dishwasher cleaners or washing machine cleaners. They are an awesome brand. 10 out of 10 would recommend.